So if I want to get rid of this term, I can choose x to be 3, right? If x was 3, then this part would be 0, and that would go away. But also, if x was 3, this part would be 0, and that goes away. I mean, this part won't be 0, so I can figure out what b is, and then I can plug in x being 3 there. In fact, that's what I'm going to do first. I'll start with the left side. So, I'm choosing an x value that'll make some of the a, b, or c, some of those coefficients, go away. That's what I'm choosing the x for. So, when x equals 3, I have, what is this, 9 times 4 is 36, I think. Minus 3 times 21 is 63. And I'll simplify that later, but there we go. And this goes away because I chose it to be 0 there, and then it multiplies it away. And then I have b times, well, x is 3, so that would be 6 plus 3 is 9. And that goes away as well. So here I can just solve for b. What is this? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 27 and then 9b, and I can divide by 9. Divide by 9. B is equal to 3. That's nice. That makes me feel like I'm doing it okay. So, cool. I'm going to circle that because I'll use it later on. Definitely we'll use it later on. This is the challenge for partial fraction decomposition. It's just finding the a, b, and c. Or finding the a, b, c, and d, or for whatever, finding those coefficients. So, the next thing is, what is another convenient x value so that things go away? I think a convenient x value would be something that makes that 0. So if I put negative 3 over 2, would that do it? X equals negative 3 over 2, right? Because if I put that in there, that's not a negative 3. Negative 3 over 2. The 2's would cancel, and I get negative 3 plus 3. Yep, that'll do it. So that would go away. Now, this is like, people are like, oh, it's a fraction, I don't like it. But it helps us out a lot, so I'm going to do it. In your problems, problem number 17, I don't think that happens. But it happens here, so I'm going to show you. So what is this? This is 4 times 9 over 4, right? Because I square this. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. And then 2 times 2 is 4. So that's that. Oh, that's nice. Minus 21 times negative 3 over 2. Right? So that's the left side. So I get some things there. And I'm going to simplify in a little bit. This goes away. This goes away. And this does not. So I got to figure that out. So equals c times negative 3 over 2 minus 3. And I'll get a common denominator there. And I have to square it. I can't forget that. So let's simplify as much as we can. 9 minus 21 divided by 2. Oh, it doesn't work out nicely. So what is this? This is 21 times 3. Oh, and that'll be plus 63 over 2. And then times 2 times 2. This is 18 plus 63, all that divided by 2. What is that? 8, 9, 10, 11, carry the 1. 6, 7, 8. 81 divided by 2 equals, and then I have to figure out this part. Okay, so I have some extra space there. I'll use my steps. What will this be? Negative 6. I'll write it down. C times negative 3 over 2 minus 6 over 2. Cool. 6, 7, 8, 9. That's negative 9 over 2. So C times negative 9 over 2. Hey, that's nice. Because I get C equal, or C times, if I square this, the negative goes away. 81 over 4, right? And I just squared it. And then I multiply by 4 over 81 times 4 over 81. So that goes away, and then we get 2. C equals 2. Oh, that makes me feel good. Charlie, that's I think I'm doing it right, Charlie. So I have B, I have C. How do I get A? That's inconvenient. Like, shoot, what do I do? How do I get A? Well, I've already chosen all of the x values that make the terms go away. So like, dang it, what do I do? I'm stuck. I just give up? No. No. I can choose any x value. It's just things won't go away. So I'm going to choose the simplest x value, usually is 0. So I'm going to choose x equals 0. And although nothing goes away here, nothing goes away here, and nothing goes away here, I already know what b is and what c is. So I'm going to use that. So let's plug in stuff and see what equation that we get. Because our goal is to find a, b, and c. All I need is a. So plug in 0, that's just 0. Easy. Plug in 0, what do I get there? I get negative 3 times 3. So that's negative 9. So I have negative 9a. And then plug in 0 here. That's just 3 times b, which is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. That's positive? Yes, it is. So that's plus 9. So I'm just plugging in all the things that I have. Plug in 0, that's negative 3 squared is 9 times c, which is 2. So 9 times 2 is 18 plus 18. Look at that. I can solve for a. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Huh? Mikey, you paying attention? Hey, no? No, there's nobody named Mikey. All right. So what is this? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So I get 27. I can subtract 27 from both sides. Negative 27. And then I get a negative 9a divided by negative 9 divided by negative 9. That goes away. And I get a equals 3. Always